Okay, so today we are making low carb blondies. They are delicious, they are low carb, and they are keto. So, okay, so before we begin, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will be cooking more, hopefully. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming in. All the ingredients that you're going to need. And materials. Okay, so you are going to add 5 tablespoons of melted butter into your bowl. 2 eggs. 2 eggs. And or low carb brown sugar. You will need 3/4 of your low carb brown sugar and pour it onto your bowl. Once everything is added, you will beat until everything is very well combined. You don't have to use a beater. I'm using a fork because it works the same. Just gotta make sure everything's all well combined. Okay, so next we are going to add 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. I would do it over the bowl just in case. Spilling. And okay, now we are going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And don't worry about spilling a little extra, because it's not going to hurt. Plus, a little bit of extra vanilla is it's going to be amazing, but whatever. Bam. Okay. Okay, so you need 1/4 and 1 tablespoon of your organic coconut flour. So I'm going to start with the 1 teaspoon. Tablespoon. That is, yeah, tablespoon. 1. And then 1/4. Bam. Okay, so next we are going to add our salt. Yeah, I know that sounds really weird, but whatever. You need 1/4 teaspoon. Oh wait, that's not it. Yeah, 1/4 teaspoon. 1/4. So 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whoop. Whoa. There we go. Now we're on to baking powder. You need 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. 3/4. Okay. I'm just going to use my 1/4 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now we're going to put in this. Nobody can pronounce this, and I'm not even going to attempt it. You're going to need 1/4 teaspoon of it. If I can just get my hand to this tiny little thing. There we go. And just bam. Okay, and beat on high until the batter is mixed together. Again, I'm just going to use my fork, and I'm just going to be really fast, because that works. Just okay. The last of the ingredients we need some unsweetened coconut. You need 1/2 cup. Okay, so it calls for 1/2 cup of walnuts, but we like pecans, so we're gonna do 1/2 cup of pecans. It's Easy peasy. We're going to do half a cup of Lily's chocolate chips. They're healthy. Bam. And then stir. So we're going to put it into an 8x8 or whatever size, I guess, greased pan. I've already sprayed it with coconut cooking oil. And you're going to put all this stuff in and cook for 18 minutes at 350 degrees. And then once it's smashed and even looking on your pan, you can go ahead and put it in the oven. It's done. Yay. It's delicious, by the way. So we put a little bit of homemade caramel whipped cream on top. If you'd like to know how, in my keto pumpkin pie video, I show you how to make it. All we did was add some caramel to it. It's amazing. You will love it. Okay. See you next time. Bye.
You need to post a